You're watching Weather Center Live, unless, of course, you're on DirecTV, where millions of our lawyer viewers aren't doing that anymore because of the first time in the history of the Weather Channel, a significant disruption in service occurred. This morning, the president and CEO of the weather company, David Kenny, spoke about why we are so disappointed about DirecTV's decision, despite the overwhelming response of our viewers asking them to keep the Weather Channel on the air.
We have 30 years of history building a trusted brand. We have the most recognized experts and names in meteorology on our air. When there's a storm, people want Greg Forbes, Brian Norcross, Jim Cantori, Carl Parker. They want Sam Champion, who's just joined us. They want those trusted names, and they want the 220 meteorologists behind them. They need that strength.
And we at the Weather Channel certainly appreciate your support and for voicing your concerns. And I guess we just need you to keep doing that. So let's go to storm specialist Carl Parker now. He's got an update with the winter weather.